guys, welcome back to my channel Niche Food Magic. Today I am sharing a quick and easy recipe perfect for breakfast, lunch or as an evening snack. There is no cooking involved in this recipe. Hence perfect for those who are bachelors and living in hostels. It takes just under 5 minutes to make this super healthy and dairy free recipe. Now, the main ingredient for this recipe is poha. Poha is also known as flattened rice. I am using about 8 tablespoons of poha in this recipe. You can use any variety of poha which is available at hand. You can use thick or thin poha for this recipe. The next main ingredient is ripe banana. We can use any variety of bananas. So now let's quickly dive into the recipe. I took 2 ripe banana for this recipe. Now first of all peel the banana. Now into a large serving glass I am adding 2 ripe banana. The best thing about this recipe is it doesn't require any cooking. Now cut into slices of ripe bananas. Add 1 tablespoon of jaggery powder. You can increase or decrease jaggery powder to suit your taste. Now with the back of a wooden spoon I am lightly mashing it up. So the idea is to mix the banana and jaggery powder. You can also use white sugar or brown sugar as per your taste. Poha is a wholesome meal. It is a good source of carbohydrates, packed with iron, rich in fiber, a good source of antioxidants and essential vitamins, and it is gluten free. It is known to be good for those who have diabetes, skin and heart problems. Poha is very low in calories. It is easy to digest, it doesn't cause bloating and helps you feel full for a longer time. See the texture now. Now I am adding 1.5 tablespoon of roasted peanut. It will give you a nice crunch. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon of raisin. You can also use black raisin. Next, add 4 tablespoons of poha. You can see that I am adding 4 tablespoons of thin poha. You can use thick or thin as per your choice. Now I am mixing the poha into the jaggery and banana mix, and once it is mixed really well, I am adding in 4 tablespoons of poha on top. You can see that it has formed into a layer now. After adding 4 tablespoons of poha on top, I am topping it with 1 tablespoon of raisin. And now I am adding in 1.5 tablespoon of roasted peanut. Pour in about half cup almond milk. You can easily make almond milk at home with overnight soaked almonds. Lastly, sprinkle instant coffee powder on the top. It is very famous in Kerala, known as Aval milk. I prefer to make it dairy free. I used almond milk. You can also use dairy milk as per your choice. Now it is ready to serve. The recipe for almond milk is already on my channel. Please do check it out. Links will be updated at the end of this video. Thank you so much guys for watching this. Thank you so much. Please do like and subscribe.